Hello, my friends. Who among us does not want to become rich? But to become rich, you must know the rules of the game of money. This channel will help you learn many things about money. The first step for you to get rich is that you must understand the pimp of the game well. Today, we will host Sarah to summarize for us the most important book in this world, which is The Rich Father and the Poor Father. Before this, help us grow. Click the subscribe button and share the channel with your friends. Hi, Sarah. How are you?
Hi, Ron. I'm fine. I'm happy to be with you today.
First, why is the book Rich Dad, Poor Dad important in the world of finance?
The book Rich Dad, Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki and Sharon Lechter is one of the most famous books in the field of self-development and personal motivation. There are many reasons that make it important. 1. Financial mindset motivation. The book presents a new perspective on financial success and how to think differently about money and investment. It encourages the reader to think outside the box and explore wealth opportunities in different ways. 2. Practical financial advice. The book offers practical advice on managing money, investing, and achieving financial independence. It helps the reader understand the importance of saving and investing wisely. 3. Impact of personal life stories. The book includes many personal stories that reflect the author's experiences and what he learned from his two fathers, making it more impactful and relatable to the reader. 4. Challenging conventional concepts. The book helps challenge common assumptions about money and wealth, offering a different perspective on financial and personal success. 5. Ease of reading and understanding. The book is characterized by a smooth and simplified style that makes it understandable and easy to read for all age groups and cultures. 6. Enhancing financial awareness. The book enhances the reader's financial awareness and encourages them to think better about financial matters and make sound financial decisions. In summary, Rich Dad, Poor Dad is important because it offers a unique approach to understanding wealth and financial success, providing valuable concepts that can be applied in daily life to achieve financial independence and personal success.
Thank you, Sarah, for these crucial insights. But hold on to your seats, dear listeners, because the world of finance is a thrilling adventure with countless books waiting to be explored. And guess what? Our channel is your ultimate guide to unraveling the secrets of financial success. Get ready for an exhilarating journey as we dive into numerous books, unveiling a treasure trove of skills and strategies that will pave the way for your wealth-building odyssey. Now, Sarah, brace yourself for the spotlight as we hand over the microphone to you to unravel the magic within the pages of this incredible book.
Rich Dad, Poor Dad deals with wealth and the importance of practical work, financial education, and money management. Lessons are centered around her common beliefs about inherited wealth, capital growth, assets and liabilities, and cash flow. In essence, it's about rethinking money and how you make it. It works for us. Most of us study, get a job, and then spend the rest of our lives working for money. No one teaches us how to make money work for us, instead. Rich Dad, Poor Dad shows us the huge knowledge gap in learning about financial security and wealth. Rich people tend to be educated kids about wealth management. But the poor and middle class generally, they don't have these conversations with their children. Robert Kiyosaki's aim with Rich Dad, Poor Dad is to make the playing field more equitable by providing financial advice to everyone. Kiyosaki's financial lessons began when he was just 9 years old. He grew up in Hawaii and came from a middle-class background. He felt left out at school because his more affluent friends could afford things that he and his friend Mike couldn't. So he and Mike teamed up to learn how they could make money. They called upon both of their dads for advice. Both dads were very different. Whereas Robert Kiyosaki's dad was highly educated, holding multiple degrees and a PhD, Mike's dad hadn't completed the 8th grade. Both men were hardworking, intelligent, and believed in education. They only disagreed on what to learn. For example, Robert's dad's advice was to study hard and then find employment at a steady company. Mike's dad's approach was to study hard to find an excellent company to buy. there are few things more emotive than money. Kiyosaki argues that fear and greed are the two primary emotions when it comes to money, and both of these lead to bad financial decisions. Fear motivates us to work hard, but it also causes us to become risk-averse. Once the money starts coming in, greed tends to take over and can cause us to overspend carelessly. Kiyosaki warns us that it's not how much money we make, but how much money we finally keep. If we're ignorant or oblivious about managing our finances, then these emotions can cause havoc, resulting in poor financial decisions. How do you feel about financial risk? We're often so afraid of losing money that we don't invest in stocks or other assets, merely because of the risks that we perceive. These risks, however, often have beneficial long-term payoffs. On the other hand, greed motivates us to spend our excess money on a better lifestyle, a new house, or a new car. This spending results in larger loan repayments and higher bills. Kiyosaki advises that we learn to use our emotions to think, not think with our emotions. So the idea is that improving financial intelligence can help us be more rational and less wavered and distracted by emotion when handling our money. Financial literacy is essential, but formal education seldom teaches what is necessary for building wealth. Kiyosaki's solution is that if you want to learn, you need to educate yourself. Even today, schools don't formally teach us the subject of money. This means that most of us learn about money from our parents. We may not want to admit it, but parents don't always have the best financial track records, so they can't always give the best financial advice. Like Poor Dad from the book, many parents encourage their children to stay school and work as hard as possible, eventually getting a job and working for a paycheck. Kiyosaki says that while this philosophy may help us earn a nice income, it's not the secret to building wealth. Not being financially savvy and planning for the future could cause us financial stress as we get older. In the United States, 50% of the workforce is without pensions. Of the remainder, nearly 75–80% have insufficient retirement money. It seems unfair that so many of us work hard but still can't seem to get ahead financially. Kiyosaki says that what's missing from our education isn't how to earn a stable income, but what to do once we start earning.
Sarah, I'm sorry for cutting in, but to keep our listeners engaged, let's wrap up with this book summary for today. Thank you so much for those wonderful and valuable points you shared. But did you know, dear listeners, that curiosity doesn't stop here? The financial world awaits us with its books and secrets, and this channel will take you on an exciting journey to explore the horizons of wealth and personal development. Let's make this moment the start of our inspiring financial adventures. Thank you again, Sarah, for that beautiful and insightful summary. Let's look forward to more magic in the days ahead.
Thank you, and see you soon.
At the end, we thank everyone. Don't miss any new content. Subscribe and activate the notification bell to receive all updates on our channel. If you enjoyed the video and found it helpful, feel free to press the like button and share it with your friends. Did you like the content? Tell us your thoughts in the comments and share your ideas and suggestions for more videos. Goodbye.